For several days, I've been doing some French polishing on this Townsend tea table. Obviously, this rim, this pierced rim, was not connected. I'll take it off here. It's just fastened with some ebony pegs that are in the rim. Let me set this aside. And for several days, I've been doing French polishing on this top surface here. And yesterday I applied some shellac in French polishing. So today, this is really dry now. I've been filling the grain and it's getting close. It's filling well, but I'm not satisfied totally yet. So I'm going to continue French polishing, but I need to flatten. After each day, I need to flatten the surface. And I've got 320 sandpaper here. And I'm just lightly applying this. And I can see where some ridges, perhaps, actually the pores of the wood have been filled quite well here. I'm not seeing a lot of grain here. So that's nice. So I need to flatten this surface, and then I'll apply some more shellac. That may be the last time with the, I guess I'm putting about 1.5 pounds mixture of blonde on here. I've only been using blonde shellac on this piece. It was so dark already, so it didn't need any more color. Yeah. A few places here that need a little bit of extra flattening. I'll thin down the shellac a little bit more this time, because I'm really close to finished. And what will happen after I'm satisfied that all the grain filled, I'll do some rubbing out. And that will be with pumice or probably rotten stone. I'll knock off the gloss to some extent, to quite a bit of extent, actually. So I don't like the glossy look. There's a few little ridges of shellac here that I'm getting rid of. Hope you can see where those show up. It really doesn't matter that I'm sanding cross grain. There's no grain that I'm sanding. I'm just sanding shellac. So that's an important process, is flattening out each day. And then continuing with more shellac.